Does that kitty talk good? Does that kitty talk English, Spanish, and French? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bonjour.
I'm a one. I'm a one. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be.
Hey y'all! Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel one more again. I love you guys. Like anyone who is supporting me right now, I'm watching these. I love you guys. I'm really thinking about you, and I'm just trying to build us a better connection so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. And I can be your source of entertainment. Okay, so as you guys can see by the title, what's your kitty talk? Does that kitty talk good? Does that kitty talk English, Spanish, and French? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bonjour. Oui, oui. Konnichiwa. I don't know anymore. Sign language. Ew, if y'all see, that was a little freaky, huh? I'm a little freak. Okay, anyways though, hey guys, okay, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little kitty talk, girl talk type of thing, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some products that are really good to keep that kitty talking, all those good languages, whatever, you know, your kitty gotta do to get it going. Okay, so anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, this is just gonna be a quick little video. So if you wanna know some top products that I use to, you know, keep my feminine hygiene up, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the first thing. I'm so excited about this. I love this product, and I finally got my hands on it, and I can't wait to buy more. It is the Yani Gel. This is the Yani Gel from Salt XO. It's all natural. It's so bomb. I love it. It kind of gives your kitty a little tingle, but it's a good everyday wash for your kitty just to keep it clean. It says that it removes odor, naturally restores pH balance, kills bacteria that may cause yeast infections and acne. So I really do love this stuff, and I just put it all over, you know, on the inside. I think on their Instagram they tell you how to, you know, clean your vajayjay properly, but you know what I'm saying, I just follow the rules, do a little wipe, woody whoop, and yeah, it says do not ingest, but I love this product. I think it's a really good wash. It gives it a really clean feeling, and it matches my nails. Another thing that I do is I actually got these from Amazon a while back, and I had like 3 packages because I was on a subscription, and they kept sending these to me, and then I finally canceled my subscription. So this is like a pack that's not even open. But this is the Boric Life. They are boric acid, 600 milligrams, and they're for intimate health. And basically this is a product that just supports your healthy pH balance, and I really like these. You know, you can read the reviews on Amazon. It has a lot of great properties. It really, like, especially after your period, for some reason, like when I have my period, it throws off my pH balance after my period. So I like to do a cleanse with these, and it'll clean it out. It'll get everything out, especially if you catch it early, you know what I'm saying? Like if you know your kitty off, get to your kitty early. Start tending to your kitty early before, you know, it turns into a bigger problem. And then, you know what I'm saying, you might have to go to the OBGYN. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it's really, especially if you don't have insurance, you know, like it can get expensive to go to the OBGYN every time there's something like thrown off with your kitty. Trust me, I've done that before. So I love having products like this because I can take care of my vaginal health without going to the OBGYN. I can fix it if there's something wrong. These products, literally the Yani Gel and these, really help. And it's crazy because there was a point in time when I wasn't even using these products, You know what I'm saying? So these products are really, really good. So yeah, like I said, this one, I think the directions say, yeah, to do it for 7 days. You insert it. It is a suppository. So you're gonna insert it into your vajayjay, yo kitty. You're gonna insert it into there, and then it just melts overnight. Please, please, please wear a panty liner because it is gonna get a little messy. It is gonna get some drippage, and these pills will definitely clean out your cooter, give you that nice refresh feeling. Oh yeah, definitely wear a panty liner when you sleep, and sometimes that morning of, it's still kind of giving you that leakage of clean out. So yeah, this right here, just wear a panty liner because it'll get you dripping. Okay, the next product I have is actually, I just want to say with my kitty, I actually do not with my kitty, I actually do not shave my kitty. I do get my kitty waxed. Eventually, maybe like when I have more money in the bank, I will do laser, but right now I do wax. And I go pretty much to the European Wax Center to get waxed. I pretty much just stay on their schedule, and it's been working pretty good for me. Like I said, like I would upgrade if I had the money, but you know what I'm saying, we ain't tripping. So when I do go to the European Wax Center, I love getting these Soothe Me wipes, and they're good for ingrown hairs and bumps. And I just like these because when you do get an ingrown hair, or whatever, these will go ahead and dry it up. Sometimes if I do get an ingrown hair, I'll get an extractor tool. Sorry, I have in my retainer. An extractor tool. And I'll go ahead and pop that thing. I know it sounds nasty. It's okay. I know it's TMI, but it's girl talk. I get an extractor tool because, you know what I'm saying, if you pop it with your fingers, sometimes like you can leave a dark mark, just like with pimples on your face. You know, if you pop it with your finger, you can leave a dark mark. So I get my extractor tool, pop the pimple, and then I use these Soothe Me wipes. They do have like alcohol and I think witch hazel. I don't think it says, but it's like alcohol and witch hazel and stuff like that in these wipes. So I think these are very good to have. The next thing I have is these are from the Honey Pot, and they are feminine wipes from the Honey Pot, and I just love them. This is actually the first time I'm using this brand. Before I got the Yani Gel, I was using the Honey Pot wash. So if you're not able to get the Yani Gel from Salt XO because they always run out, that's how good the product is, I would say just go ahead and get the Honey Pot wash, and you can either get that off their website or you can get it off of Target. These are the wipes. I've actually never tried their wipes, and you know, I'll try them. I want to see how thick they are. Let's see. And I got the sensitive ones, but these are just natural wipes. Ooh, they smell good. But I got the sensitive ones. It says that you can use it for your body and your face, so I love that. These are plant-based, so they're good, and it's black owned. Awesome. We love all businesses, but a round of applause for a black owned business. Amen, amen. Okay. The next thing I have is, I actually got these, and this is actually my first time trying them, but y'all, it's just so important to have natural and organic tampons. They are a little bit more expensive, but guys, you really need to make the switch. The regular cotton tampons really do have a lot of chemicals in them, and you're putting those inside of your body, inside of your kitty, all the time, and it's really, really dangerous. That's how you can get that TSS shock. Just a lot of things, a lot of bad things come with not getting organic tampons. So PSA, please, I know it costs more, but please, if you can, get organic tampons. Please do it. And they're good for the environment. So these, I actually get a different brand from Target, and it's like organic, and they come in a round tub. I usually get those, but I just decided to try the Honey Pot ones. with those I would have got more for like $1 cheaper, but these were $1 more. But I just wanted to try out the honey pot products. So you get 9 and 9, so that's 18. And I probably will get the other ones because you'll get more for the price, but I just want to try the honey pot ones and see how good they are. And yeah, like I said, I love getting organic tampons, and I think every girl should make the switch. If you can do it financially, please do it. Honey pot. Let's see what else I have. Okay, so the last thing I have is this Ingrown Hair Oil, and this is from Ancient Cosmetics. It's like an Instagram skincare brand they're very popular on Instagram. So I do use this, and I use it twice a day. And I pretty much like it. I think I like how, you know what I'm saying? Like, unless you just put lotion on your kitty or something like that, you know, how can you really moisturize it and, you know, like give it that moisture that it needs? And you don't want to put like regular oil. So I like putting this oil. I don't put it inside my lips, but I do like rub it all like on the skin surface. And it's Ingrown Hair Oil from Ancient Cosmetics. And like I said, I use these two things together. Sometimes I do get the serum from European Wax Center. So I haven't tried using all 3 of those products, but I think that would be really good. So you might want to get all 3 of the products, but at least get these 2. And yeah, it's A1. It's A1 down there. Alright guys, so those are all the products I have for you for my feminine healthcare routine. Main key points: you need something for your ingrown hairs, and you need something for your, you know, vaginal health, and you need to switch to organic tampons. Okay, those are the main tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram at @vdenero. Don't forget to do that, and stay tuned for my other videos. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.